video, ayan. For today's video, guys, ayan, gumawas inday ng, nagmarinate inday ng manok. At alam nyo kung ano to? Para saan to? Edi chicken barbecue. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 pieces lang, guys. Kaya alam nyo na special lang to. So, wala pong magmamain at wala pong magsana oil. Charot. Walang magsasana all, ha? Dahil, special for today lang to. Next time na lang kayo umorder. Wala pong libre. Dapat may order. Charot. Ayan. So, yummy, yummy. This is going to be cooked now. At aking ipiprepare yung ihawan. At later, makikita nyo kung luto na o hindi yung aking chicken barbecue for today. Ayan. Chicken barbecue ala Inday. Ay, sarap. Paano ba to? Didadami na naman ang kanin. At meron din akong munggo special. Ay, syempre, munggo yan. Munggo ginataan. Ayan. So, see you later.